from 25 to 60. Okay, I asked one basic question. These are all life goals, which is very, very important goal. Anyone come to chat box or unmute and tell me? Quick first. Which one very important goal? Children education, or buying a dream house, or marriage, or retirement planning, financial freedom. It is not an option. Come to chat box.
Everything is important, but I think retirement, sir, is it?
Okay, which is very important? Which is very, very important?
That's a very critical question. But for us, it is like retirement to say, in fact.
Madam, I think your age is more than 50, correct?
No, sir.
Okay, madam. Sir, I'm telling the answer. The children education is an important goal for us, every human being. Okay. Okay, this is very, very important. All are important. Very important children education. You know, Mr. Warren
What I thought is everything we have to attain, like building home, marriage.
Yes, everything we have to attain, madam.
Entirely for retirement, no one thinks about it.
I agreed, madam. I agreed, madam. But as per the theoretical point of view, children education is a very, very important goal.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah. And Warren Buffett, is an American investor. He invests more 100% money in capital market. So he started investment from at the age of 11 years. So he's at present 6th largest person in the world. 6th largest person in the world. One more person in India. So he was no more. Anyone guess? Junior Warren Buffett. He was started capital market investment at the age of 1988 at the amount of rupees 10,000 rupee. So he lost before we lost that person before 1 year. Anyone guess which name? What is the person name?
Rakesh Junjun.
Very exactly correct, sir. Exactly correct. Yeah. So he's when he going to die last year, that period, the net worth is more than 60,000 crore. 60,000 crore. 10,000 crore. 10,000 converted to 60,000 crore. He invests only in stock market. He invests only in stock market. So Warren Buffett told, so minimum income or family income doesn't matter. Whatever it may be, minimum we can start, say, minimum 25% of your income should be converted to savings and investment. Savings is a short term, investment is a long term. Savings means within 1 year, investment is a long term 1 year. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, regulating for securities market in India. Example, stock exchanges, commodity exchanges, currencies, and then interest rate derivatives, everything they're going to regulate for SEBI and mutual fund operations also. Stock exchanges. How many stock exchanges in anyone guess? Participants? How many stock exchanges in India? 2, 3, 4. Anyone option? A, B, C. Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4.
Sir, maybe 2.
Maybe 2 wrong answer. Any other answers? But y'all are not 2. I know very well. Okay, you know the 2 stock exchange, BSE and NSE. One more stock exchange available. Kindly note NSE Metropolitan. No, madam, that was closer, madam. Now we are running only 3 exchange. Yeah. Now we have only 3 stock exchanges. One is BSE Bombay Stock Exchange. Second one MSC Metropolitan Stock Exchange, and NSE National Stock Exchange. We have 3 stock exchanges available, and we have now clearing corporations. 3 clearing corporations. One is Indian Clearing Corporation. Second one NSE Clearing Corporation. Third one Metropolitan Clearing Corporation. We have 3 clearing corporations, and then depositories. We have 2 depositories only: NSDL and CDSL. NSDL is denotes for National Securities and Depository Limited. CDSL, Central Depositories Services Limited. See, and then companies, SEBI registered companies, SEBI registered stockbroking companies, now more than 1,300 plus companies available, including cash market segment as well as feature and option F&O segment. More than 100 companies are having feature and option segment. And then if as an investor we going to buying and selling of shares through BSE or NSE, we should open trading and demat account. It is mandatory. Demat account, trading account we can open through SEBI registered broking companies. SEBI registered companies, we can see the websites. I told you more than 1,300 plus companies. So if you're going to select the company, that company should be registered with SEBI as well as the member of stock exchange, clearing corporation and depositories. You should open trading and demat account. So the document required for open trading and demat account, PAN card is mandatory, Aadhaar card is mandatory, and then for Aadhaar card or driving license, anyone mandatory, and third one, bank account is mandatory for open trading and demat account. So this is a regulatory bodies in India, especially for banks. All the banks are regulated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, and then Nidhi companies regulated by MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and cooperative credit societies are regulated by Register of Cooperatives of State. It is comes under the state government, and chit funds regulated by Register of Chit Funds for State. So many, especially for Indians, especially for South Indians investing for chit funds, especially for chit funds investing in friends or relatives or like that. So try to avoid that kind of investments. If relatives, okay, we accept it, but other than relatives, try to avoid. So which is registered company? Chit funds also registered by Register of Chit Funds of the state. We going to invest. That is it is comes under the regulatory body, and stock markets, mutual funds, and currency derivatives also regulated by SEBI. And company deposits, example for corporate deposits, also regulated by MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And insurance companies, all are regulated by IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. And all pension funds. Recently, Madam also asking for retirement planning. So this is a live example. So each and every human being, we should take this NPS scheme and APY scheme. NPS scheme, minimum investment 500 rupee, maximum unlimited, up to 65 years we have to continue the investments. Example, and now your age is now 20, you can assume, maybe MBA first year students are second year, 20 or 21. So every month you have start investment 500 rupee, up to 65 you have continue your investment. After 60 May you can get the pension. APY scheme, minimum investment, maximum investment is same amount. Say for example, now your age is 20 or 21, you can pay per month 250 rupee. It is a fixed amount. Up to 60, you have to continue your investment. After 60, you can get pension 5,000 rupees. At the age of 60, you can get the corporation amount 8,50,000. So that interest amount you will get pension. That is called CPS, contribution pension system. These investments are regulated by PFRDA. Don't worry. Okay. So this is 100% regulated by PFRDA. Those who are joined after 2004, especially your father or mother or brothers, sisters, not eligible for pensions. Okay. Coming to the investment options. So now we can see this investment option: bank deposits available, bonds and debentures, insurance, few products comes under the investment category, property investments, mutual funds, gold and stock market. So at present, emerging investments are, which is emerging investment? Bank deposits or mutual funds or gold or stock market or bonds? Anyone guess? Tell me. Which is emerging investment? Or bank deposits or real estate physical investments? Which is
SIP,
emerging
sir?
investment? SIP, very good, madam. Okay, good. And then mutual fund SIP, very good. And then?
Stock markets, obviously.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Correct. And then it's two options. Okay. One another two options available. Emerging investments.
Insurance.
Insurance. Okay, madam. Very good. One more investment. Gold investment, especially which gold? Physical gold or electronic gold?
Electronic gold.
Very good, madam. And one more investments for especially real estate. So normally we are telling about investment trust companies, REITs and InvITs. So these are all emerging investment. I'm going to explain about one by one. Bank deposits are risk-free investments. Okay, bank deposits, you can see the risk and return. Bank deposits, government bonds, post office, these are all risk-free investments. Return also minimum 4%, maximum 10%. And mutual fund investment applicable to market risk. We will say about mutual fund investment deeply. And gold investments also market risk applicable. So depending on the scheme, market gold, we can see this depending on the physical gold as well as electronic gold. We will see the difference between physical and electronic gold. And then stock market also rather than compared to mutual fund gold, stock market investment more than high risk, and derivatives also very high risk. So within a day you can get 100% return, or within a day you can lose 100% money. So this is called risk and return. High risk, high return; low risk, low return. As an investor, we're going to invest depending on the age. So how much risk taking ability for the person? 100 minus your age. Say for example, your age is now 25. You can take 75% risk. 75% investing in stock market, 25% investing in risk-free bank deposits or post office, like that. And if your age is more than 45 years, that time you can invest maximum 60% stock market, 40% investing in risk-free. So real estate, anytime you can invest. So it is normally we are telling about real estate investment gold. So every 5 years or every 10 years, we can see the CAGR growth rate, compounded annual growth rate, minimum 8 to maximum 15%, depending on the time durations. Okay, so நம்ம தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க மண்ணிலையும் பொருளை இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண லாஸ் ஆன சரித்திரம் கிடையாது. எஸ், ஓகே, thank you. Kindly unmute, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we can see the gold investments. So recently, many investors are preferring for gold investments. So especially for young investors preferring for physical gold or electronic gold. Anyone? Youth, less than 30 years, investors for investing in gold, investing physical gold or electronic gold, which is best option?
Electronic
Anyone?
gold.
Any students? Oh, yes, exactly correct, ma. Yeah, exactly. Hey, why? Any reason? Yeah, gold piece. Somebody said, yeah, chatting. Yeah, gold piece. Very good. Why? Any specific reason?
No, actually, keeping gold at home is very hefty.
Danger, madam. Safety is very less. Very good. Exactly correct. Safety is very less. So if you go into investing electronic gold, 100% secure. So if, for example, gold prices now in India, we can see. Before going to investing in gold, we can see check the website. This website we can see. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Screen, yeah. So this is 24 hours gold price. This is kitco.com. This is 24 hours gold price. We can see the price is now today $1,920. So this is on ounce price. Say for example, before 1 week, this price is now $8,840. This week gradually increased to $1,935. Now reduced to $14. Today reduced to $14. So before 2 weeks it was $9,830. So you can see the price movement. So this is the gold price movement. These are all gold news. Before going to invest in gold, we can see the news, latest news. Okay. After that, you can start gold investments. And now we can move to this gold investments, which is best option. So we can buy the gold through, for example, for marriage purpose, we can buy physical gold. Other than if you want to buy investment purpose, we can buy electronic gold. See, what is the difference between 22 karat and 24 karat? Anyone? 22 and 24 karat. Difference? What is the difference between? Yeah, madam.
Terms of purity.
Yeah, purity. Okay, 24 karat equal to 99.95 or 99.99. 22 karat equal to, anyone guess?
91.6.
Yes, but theoretical 92%. Theoretical 92%. So before going to check physical gold nowadays, we should check about the 916 kdm hallmark also, as well as with HUL hallmark also. These both are mandatory buying a physical gold. And now, rather than physical gold, electronic gold is the best option nowadays. Why? Means we can buy market price, we can sell market price. Say for example, nowadays 3 options available. First option, RBI's origin bond. Second option, gold ETF, mutual fund gold ETF schemes. Third option, we can buy through equity shares, gold Bs or gold shares. Somebody said text me, I'm very happy. So we can compare to physical gold. These are all best investment options in India. These are all taxable available. You can see the difference between physical gold and gold ETF and sovereign bond. You know the differences. Better we can take the screenshot. So these are all difference between. We have a lot on maximum 20 minutes time. We're going to start the stock market investments. Okay, so you can take the screenshot. The difference between physical gold and gold ETF and sovereign bond. Okay, can I move to stock market? Okay, thank you. So before going to enter into securities market or investing in whatever it may be, example, if you are going to investing in stock market, you can approach to SEBI registered stockbrokers. Investing in mutual funds, in approach to mutual fund distributor, or generally you can approach to SEBI registered investment advisor or research analyst. They will guide you which is right time to invest or which is right time to exit also. And we can buy the shares through primary and secondary market. Say for example, which company can shares issued to general public? Private limited company or public limited company, or anyone guess? Anyone guess?
Only public limited companies.
Yes, exactly correct. Yeah, only public limited company only can shares issued to general public. So as an investor, we can buy through primary market and secondary market. So primary market means when company issue first time, that time we can buy. Secondary market, so already issued company, we can repurchase and resell through secondary market. Okay, so this is a power of equity. Example, if you are maybe your grandfather or your relatives are buying 100 shares, face value of 100 rupee at the year 1980. So that company announced the bonus shares. You can see the many times, more than 10 times, and share split. You know, equity shares, the 4 value like that: face value, market value, and then book value, and then issue price. So normally we are telling about primary market, face value and issue price, and the secondary market we can see face value as well as market value and then book value. So we're going to see these 3 values. Say for example, 1980, one company issuing 100 shares, the face value 100 rupee. Example, investment amount is 10,000 rupee. So this amount in 2023, it will grow to more than 1,000 crore. So can you guess which company? This is Indian company, IT company. Anyone?
Infosys.
Not TCS. Yes, not Infosys. Wipro. Exactly correct. Yeah, exactly correct. Yeah, Akhilesh. Yeah, exactly correct. Wipro. So this is a power of equity. Okay. And example, we're going to apply it for primary market. So this is a system followed today. Example, for last week also one company came for IPO. Anyone tell me the recent IPOs? JSW Infra, and after that one company also came. Fiber. Which one? Anyone guess? Sir, this is a recent IPO. So yes, JSW Infra. Yes, very good, Praveen. Yeah, exactly correct. Yes. And then Wipro, JSW, one more company also. Last week, this is a past IPO. Recently, there is no IPO. Okay. So when we going to apply for primary market, so SEBI guidelines we should follow. As an investor, we can see the company prospects. We can apply through IPO or FPO. IPO means when company issue first time, and FPO already issued company, already listed company. So that company has been reissued shares. That is called FPO. Right issue only eligible for existing shareholders. Bonus issue also eligible for only existing shareholders. Private placements also, for example, particular company shares given to only particular companies, that is called private placements. So these are primary markets. Then nowadays, kindly noted, so primary market operations in India followed this system ASBA. Example, for issuing of equity shares, and then issuing of bonds and debentures, and issuing of mutual funds. Also they following the system ASBA, application supported by blocked amount. Example, one company today came for IPO. Today is a first day, maximum 3 days it will open. Within 3 days we're going to apply. Within 3 days we're going to apply. Okay. And the allotment date is, for example, Monday 24th October. So before 24th October, up to 24th, your money will be blocked. Your money will be blocked to your bank account. So that is called ASBA. application supported by black diamond. Example, if you are applying today, last date of applying is 18th October. Allotment is 24th October. Up to 24th October, your money will be blacked. That is called ASBA. After allotment, if you get shares, your money will be debited from your bank account. Another 3 working days, share will be credited to your demat account. So there is a system followed in Indian primary market operations. So kindly understand, minimum 3 to 10 working days. IPO will be open. So in between, we're going to apply. Allotment is another 3 days, and that company will be listed in any one stock exchange. That is another 3 days. So maximum 12 working days, you can get shares through your demat account, or your money, black amount will be, if you are getting shares, share will be credited your demat account. Otherwise, if you are not getting shares through allotment, your money, the black amount will be released. That is called ASB, application supported by black diamond. If you have any doubt, you can ask finally. Okay. Now we can move to the stock market operations. Secondary markets, I told you, we have 3 stock exchanges available. And this is a secondary market functioning. So secondary market overall participations, only stock exchanges, clearing corporations, and then for depositories. So as an investor or trader, we can place the order through BSE or NSE or MSE. So we can place the order through BSE or NSE or MSE, and trade execution also done by exchanges, stock exchanges only. So kindly note it. We can place the order and trade execution through done by stock exchanges, BSE or NSE or MSE, and then clearing process done by clearing corporations. Example for NSE clearing corporation, Indian clearing corporations, and then Metropolitan Clearing Corporation. So this clearing process done by clearing corporations, and then securities credited your demat account, that is called NSDL or CDSL, National Securities and Depository Limited, and CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited. So now SEBI relaxing for this stock exchanges and clearing corporations. If you buy the shares, any exchanges, the clearing process done by any exchanges, and the share will be credited NSDL or CDSL. So this process, it will take for T plus one trading day plus 1 day. I told you primary market T plus 12 working days. If you are applying for IPO, it will take for 12 working days. But secondary market T plus 1 trading day plus 1 day. And then we can move to this. This is trading. Already we have the example today. If you are going to buy 100 shares of State Bank of India, how much money required? Today's SBI price is 580 rupees. So total 100 shares, how much money required? Nearly 58. 100 shares means 58,000 rupee. Commission maybe 200 rupees or 300 rupees. So total amount you transfer from your bank account to trading account. And secondary market operations, we can transfer fund only through online mode, not cash. Cash also, even primary market also not accepting cash. Secondary market also not accepting cash. Kindly note it, only accepting for online fund transfer, only accepted. So today is trading day. Already that execution trades, your trade will be executed. If you buy 100 shares of State Bank of India, okay, after 3:30 market hours, that is called post market. So after 3:30 market hours, you can get trade confirmation from a stock broking company through SMS, and you can receive the contract note. So contract note is nothing but invoice. If you're going to buy any product in whatever it may, wherever it may be, so we can receive the bill, same like that. So what are the details in contract note? Date, time, price, quantity, trade ID, and various charges. Okay. So within 24 hours, you should receive the contract note. Otherwise, if you can complain, you can ask your stock broking company. If they are not sending the contract note, you can complaint raised through SEBI also. So I will show you the SEBI websites also. And now how to select the companies, how to select as a layman, how to select the companies. Say for example, I'm going to see this. So this is, right? Yeah, NSE BSE. What about NSE parameter Nifty? NSE parameter Nifty. This is consist of the top 50 companies of NSE, and BSE parameter also Sensex. So as a investor, as a new investor, you don't know about stock market. So basically, first we should know the Nifty 50 companies. Go to nseindia.com, nseindia.com, and we can see a view all. Below the chart, Nifty chart, we can see NSE Nifty gainer, NSE Nifty losser. Yes. So these are, yeah, yes. So these are all Nifty companies. Many people are aware about Nifty companies. So if you are not aware about Sensex Nifty, you can see these are all Nifty companies. So anyone guess how to select the top 50 companies of NSE or top 50 companies of BSE? Any criteria? Dear friends?
Is based on market capitalization?
Very good, exactly correct. So based on the market capitalization, so we're going to select top 30 and 50 companies. So these are all Nifty 50 companies, and we can move to the PPT. And yeah, now we can see this. Yeah, what purpose we have open Demat account? What are the importance? So before 1992, there is no need for open Demat account, trading account. Now it is a mandatory. So if you buy shares through primary market or secondary market, buy debt securities, bonds and debentures, so we can hold, for example, for our generation, our next generation also, we can hold our securities, example, equity shares, debt securities, bonds and debentures and mutual funds, and even now electronic gold also. Example, for gold ETF funds, we can convert it to Demat mode. So every month you can see statements, debit of securities, how much, credit of securities, pledging of securities. Yeah, recently SEBI announced from 2020 onwards, you can pledge the securities maximum market value of 70%. So depending on the script, depending on the funds, we can pledging it. So we can pledge securities, so maximum value of 70%. And now we can move to the mutual fund investments. See, recently I asked initially also some of them telling about recent investment is even mutual fund also. So mutual fund investment, mutual fund started in 1964 India, but many people are aware about mutual fund after 2008. The economic crisis 2008. Many people are aware. Say for example, 2008, that time mutual fund investment, especially in the particular area, SIP, systematic investment plan, less than 5,000 crore. But due to the COVID, the time, the COVID period, before COVID period, 2020, January to March, that period, so less than 8,000 crore. After 2000 COVID, can you guess how much invested in mutual funds, especially in the SIP, monthly investments? SIP means systematic investment plan. How much is up to August 2023 or September 2023? Anyone guess how much amount?
Minimum, sir, is it?
Yes, madam. Actually,
minimum 1,000 or
every
500.
month invest. Madam, minimum, okay, madam. Actually, how much money invested? 2020, more than 8,000 crore. But recently, it will increase to 15,000 crore. Okay, so nowadays, many young investors investing in mutual fund schemes. Say, for example, mutual funds is nothing but money collected from investors investing in different avenues. Like that, we can see this
By portfolio managers, right, sir?
Yes, madam. Yeah. So, example, equity schemes. If you're going to select equity schemes, 100% money investing in stock market is a risky scheme. Debt means 100% investing in bonds and debentures. That is a risk-free investment scheme. Hybrid is nothing but equity plus debt. Now we can see the car, electric plus petrol, same like that. Equity hybrid scheme is equity plus debt, 60% equity or 40% debt or 50-50 like that. Okay, and other schemes like that, gold ETF available. So now many women investors investing, gold investing, gold ETF schemes. Mutual funds is also market risk applicable. You can see the risk parameters. Kindly mute on, please. Okay, so you can see the risk parameter. Example for debt schemes are low risk or low to moderate risk. Hybrid schemes are moderate or high moderate schemes. And then equity schemes are high risk or very high risk. So these are all mutual fund schemes, and we can invest mutual fund lump sum amount or SIP. We can invest mutual fund scheme lump sum amount or SIP. Lump sum amount means one-time investment. We are going to invest 1 lakh rupee or 2 lakh or 10 lakh like that. for minimum 2 days, maximum 10 years or 20 years. That is a lump sum amount. Srimati, kindly mute on, please. Okay. And SIP means is monthly based investment. I will show you some small example for a lump sum amount in SIP. Example, one person investing only for, this is a short time, 1 year. This month going to invest 12,000 rupee. Today NAV value is 10 rupee. Today NAV value is 10 rupee. So how much unit purchase? 1,200 units. So after 1 year, how much? What is the net NAV value? 11 rupee. So how much CR he get the return? 1,200 rupees. Investment amount 12,000 rupees. Return 13,200. How much gain? 10%. So 1,200 rupee. So this is a lump sum amount. So NAV every day they're going to calculate for mutual fund companies. Okay, NAV calculate by depending on the total value of assets, and the formula is available for interest value. Somebody said no. Total value of assets will be number of unit outstanding. This is the NAV formula. NAV same like secondary market, stock market operation. It will going to change it. Same like we can see the Infosys TCS price every day. It will going to change it. Same like NAV also change it. Say for example, one person plan for SIP, systematic investment plan for monthly basis. He or she start for monthly investment 1,000 rupee. So you can assume this month, you can assume January, NAV value 10 rupee. So how much unit purchased? 1,000 would be 10, 100 units he or she going to purchase. And next month also same 1,000 rupee invest. NAV value 9 rupee. How much unit purchased? 11 units. So if NAV value comes out, unit purchase goes up. And we can see the March month, April, we can see. So after 1 year, he or she invest only 12,000 rupee. How much unit purchased? Previously, lump sum amount purchased only 1,200 units. Now, purchased for a SIP plan 1,300. Which is best option? Anyone? Guys, SIP is best option or lump sum amount is best option?
Sir, SIP is best option. Monthly when
yes,
you
madam, yes, madam. If say example, if we going to investing in SIP, so we plan about, we think about only for long term, not for short time. Minimum 10 years, then only you can get more amount. Okay, minimum 10 years we can plan it. This is for small example for 1 year, so you can invest minimum 10 years. Okay, and coming move to the end of the session. So what are the employment opportunities in securities market or capital market? Nowadays, NISM, you know very well, SEBI Education Institute, NISM located in Mumbai. So they conducted different kind of courses, 2 years program available, PGDSM available, and certification courses available, 1 year program available, securities law courses, and then certification courses, 29 modules like that available. So NISM, if you are willing to join a securities market, for employers are like that, mutual fund distributors, asset management companies, broking firms, like that, investment advisory, depository participants, SEBI registered market intermediaries. These are all modules, but this is certification is mandatory to become a research analyst or portfolio management service, or to become a relationship manager in a mutual fund distributor. The certifications are mandatory. Example, for if you are employee of currency derivatives, you have to complete currency derivative model, or equity derivative, completing equity derivative model, mutual fund operations model. If you are an employee of mutual funds, example, to become a fund manager, mutual funds models are mandatory. Depository operations, compliances, investment advisory, research analyst, 29 module available. So before going to know about these courses, go to visit nism.ac.in, nism.ac.in, and go to certification. All the details are there. We have to register first. After that, we can apply for the exams. So this link is useful for students. 29 modules, all the modules, books are, we can download free of cost. There is no charges. You can see the link. Take screenshots. This is a link. This web link, we can going to download all the materials, NISM certification material, free of cost. Freely download all the material, 29 modules also, we can download it. And these are all for securities, capital market related recruiting companies, securities market. If you're competing this NISM courses, these are all companies for recruiting. So most of the companies are located in Mumbai. Okay, some companies are branches available in Bangalore and Chennai. You can try this. Stockbroking companies available in Coimbatore. More than 500 offices in Coimbatore, also in Avinasi Road. Okay, but example for research, departments and complaints departments and available only in databases. So these are all for companies. You can get internship also. You can get job also. But NSM exam mandatory. And recently for
Sir, are you sharing the PPT, sir?
yeah, I'm going to share the PPT. I'm going to share the
No, it's
PPT.
like very long time you have
Okay.
not seen any PPT, so thought like
Yes, yes.
reminding.
Okay, I will show you, madam. And these are all important modules. Before completing your MBA, at least try to complete 1 or 2 modules. Mutual fund distributors or equity derivatives or research analysts, series number 5A, 8, it's like depending on that, which area we are going to go for jobs. Example, mutual, if you are to become a mutual fund employee, try to complete this module, mutual fund distributor. Stockbroking company employee, research equity derivative, and if you go to research analyst, any IT companies, now many IT companies are recruiting for research analyst. They are asking series number 15. If you complete this module, you can get a better opportunity. Minimum they paid ready to pay 6 lakhs per annum. Ready to pay. They are asking for research analyst model as well as your basic skills about research, even stock market research or market research or fundamental, whatever it may be. And if you are go for derivative operations, example for commodity derivatives, you can complete the series number 15. And these are all designations for NISM certifications. And yeah, this is the end of the presentation. I'm coming. So these are all for important websites related to securities
We
market.
cannot see the PPT or your screen, sir.
Just a minute, madam. Yeah, wait. Sorry, madam. Sorry.
For a long time, you are not able to see.
Oh, sorry, madam. Yeah, I'm showing this. Sir, it's now visible, madam?
Yes, sir. Overall, every
Okay.
slide is.
Yeah, I will show you. I will share the PPT. But this is websites, important websites related to securities market. Before investing in stock market, you can see these websites. BSCindia.com, myreach.com,
Can you put it
NSCindia.com,
presentation mode, sir?
screener.in. I will show you the screener.in also. This is how to select the companies. We can get all the informations, all the fundamental information is available. Screener.in. I will show you the screener.in also. Madam, screen is visible? Screener.in, screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Screen is visible, sir.
Madam, screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Screen is visible, sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir? Sir?
So go to example, I'm going to see about the details about TCS. We have to type it. Just type it TCS. We can get all the informations. These are all fundamental informations. All the data is available. No need to do any calculations. Screener.in. Madam, screen is useful. Okay, thank you. Thank you. You can see the website, screener.in. It is highly useful for before selecting the company. PE ratio, book value, dividend yield ratio, ROCE, all the information is available, and we can see the past 10 years price movement from before 10 years. What is the price movement of the stocks, and then pros and cons of the company, peer comparison about IT sector companies. We can see only TCS, but we can compare with other IT sector companies: Infosys, HCL, Wipro, L&T, Mindtree, and Tata, Tech Mahindra. These companies also we can see. So these are all for, and then we can see the quarterly results and profit and loss account, balance sheet, and cash flow ratios, all the informations, shareholding pattern, and then yeah, this information is available in the website screener.in. Okay, coming to end of the presentation. Many thanks for your kind listening for more than 45 minutes. Any doubts, any clarifications, feel free, unmute and ask the questions. Come to chat box.
Sir, it was our privilege and we were very happy that the session was so interesting, sir.
Sir, it's audible or not?
You can take the screenshot of this websites. Any doubts?
Sir, I have one doubt. Sir?
Yeah, somebody is asking about the index fund investment. Index fund investment is nothing but, say for example, index that mutual fund company investing only in index-based companies like Sensex and Nifty. If Sensex, it will go up automatically. Your return on investment, for example, Sensex, it will go to 10 compared to last year. This year 10%. Increase means your net asset value also it will go to increase 10%. If come down 10%, 10%, it will Nifty or Sensex come down, your investment also come down. Okay, this is in the index-based investments. But rather than index-based, now many equity schemes, large cap available. Better you can select large cap funds. Any other doubts, dear friends? Any doubts? Any clarification? Feel free, ask me.
Sir, can we consult you separately?
Dear participants, feel free to ask me any doubts, any clarifications related to my presentation.
Sir, somebody is asking, I want to consult you. I want your consultation.
Next question. Yeah, sir. How about Nifty 50? Yes, very good question, Kausika. Yeah, Nifty 50 consists of top 50 companies of NSE. They're going to select top 50 companies based on market capitalization. Market capitalization is nothing but number of shares issued into current market price. Say, for example, top 50 companies are HDFC Bank, and then TCS, Wipro, and Infosys, and then State Bank of India, and L&T. This kind of companies are comes under the Nifty 50. You can see the website nseindia.com. I will show you the website also, nseindia.com. You can see the Nifty chart. Below Nifty chart, the 50 companies are we can see. Could you please explain? Okay. Madam, actually, Asha madam, actually, your voice is not audible. You can come to chat box. But I can see you're chatting. If you, dear participants, if you feel free, if you have any doubt, any clarification, I can share my number in my chat box. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Yes, yeah. 52 weeks high and low. Yeah, yes, madam. Yes, madam. Actually, 52 weeks high means, example for this today to before 1 year, not for accounting year, not calendar year. Example, today date is October 16th, before 1 year. October 17th, 2022 to till date. This is called 52 weeks high. This week maybe you can assume October 3rd week of 2023. Before only means 4th week October 2022. From 4th week October 2022 to till late. This is called 52 weeks. In between that time, which the SARS, when going to reach high, when going to reach low, that is called 52 weeks low, 52 weeks high. I will share a PPT, no issue. Yeah. Time duration about the blocking the money up to allotment period. Example, opening and closing date is 3 to 10 working days maximum. So some companies now came for IPO, minimum 3 days to maximum 5 days only it will open. So allotment it is another 3 to 4 working days. So the maximum login period is 7 to 10 working days. 7 to 10 working days. In between that, your money will be blocked. So after allotment, you can get, if you get allotment, you can get SARS. Otherwise, the money, the block will be released. Yeah, next question. Electronic gold, we can only invest through broker. Yeah, depending on the schemes. Example, for RBI sovereign bond, you can invest through banks. Having for bank account, SB account, you can invest a particular bank or post office also they are telling. And then for mutual funds, you can invest through mutual fund distributors, or regular scheme, you can invest through particular mutual fund companies. Directly, you can invest through mutual fund companies also. And then shares also available. Electronic golds through gold mining company available. Gold beast, gold share you can buy through trading and demat account through your same like secondary market operations you can buy. Any other questions? 1%. Yeah, logo asking for I am going to invest money for long term period. So where I can invest? Long term means you have to consider portfolio. Don't select only stock market. Don't select only for mutual fund. Don't select only for real estate. Better, my suggestion: most of the money investing in real estate, and some of the money investing in gold and electronic gold as well as equity shares, and some amount investing in for mutual fund also. More than 60% money in investing for real estate is a long term. Okay, and maximum 40% investing for gold as well as equity and then mutual funds. Yeah. Another Balasundaram asking this question: invest some part of money on long term for the future generation. If you, how much percentage I invest in your return? Yeah, return depending on your investor perception. Balasundaram, நீங்க கேக்குற क्वेश्चन தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன் எல்லாத்துக்கும் தெரியுற மாதிரி. சோ நீங்க ரிட்டர்ன் வந்து எல்லா இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட்ஸும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்காதுங்க. டிபெண்டிங் ஆன் த இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், நம்ம பேங்க்ல டெபாசிட் பண்ண நமக்கே தெரியும் மினிமம் 4 to மேக்ஸிமம் 7.5 அதுக்கு மேல ரிட்டர்ன் கிடையாது. ஆனால் ஸ்டாக் மார்க்கெட்டோ ரியல் எஸ்டேட் அப்படி கிடையாது. நீங்க ரியல் எஸ்டேட்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா மினிமம் உங்களுக்கு 8% per annum ரிட்டர்ன் கிடைச்சிடும். மேக்ஸிமம் டிபெண்டிங் ஆன் த லொகேஷன் per annum வந்து 80, 50, 70 கூட கிடைக்கும். ஸ்டாக் மார்க்கெட் அதே மாதிரி தான். மினிமம் ரிட்டர்ன் கிடையாது. அஷூரன்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன் கிடையவே கிடையாது. யாருமே அஷூரன்ஸ் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஏன்னா நீங்க ஒரு கம்பெனியோட சேர் 500 rupees இருக்குன்னா வித்தின் 1 year 1000 ஆகலாம், வித்தின் 1 year 100 rupee வரலாம், பாசிபிள். ஆர் 50 rupee கூட வரலாம், இட் பாசிபிள். ஆர் 2000 rupee கூட போகலாம், இட்ஸ் பாசிபிள். Okay, there is no guaranteed return. Guaranteed return only for bank deposits as well as bonds and investments. Fixed income security மட்டும்தான் guaranteed return. Otherwise, we are not assuming fixed return. எல்லாமே floating returns தான். As a student, what kind of stocks we going to invest? Beginners Nifty 50. Yes, correct. Starting la Nifty 50 or Sensex 30 மட்டும் select பண்ணுங்க. கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, ஒரு 2-3 months லேர்ன் பண்ணிட்டு after that you can start for some other companies. Going to do analysis through screener.in. After that you can start investment some other companies. Initially you can start Nifty 50 companies. One more suggestion: don't select single company. Minimum 5 companies. Each sector one company. Example, IT company la or IT sector la or company, banking la or company, pharmaceutical or company, and then infrastructure la or company, and then for steel இந்த மாதிரி பிரிச்சிட்டு ஒரு செக்டருக்கு ஒரு கம்பெனி இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. That is called portfolio. Okay, don't select single companies. Any other questions?
Sir, I am Muruganathan. I just want to know who can be an investment advisor. Is there any regulation? I find celebrities endorse financial products, sir. Is there any
Okay, Kaushika,
regulation?
thank you. Thanks a lot. Any other questions? Dear participants, any other questions?
Since there is no more question from participants, we request
I hope
Aishwarya.
you learned something about securities market, especially stock market, mutual funds, and electronic gold. And any other questions, feel free to ask me. Okay, guys, one more topic is missing. That is called REITs and InvITs, Real Estate Investment Trust and Infrastructure Investment. REITs and InvITs. Many young investors are now investing in real estate rather than physical. We're going to investing in online mode. REITs and InvITs companies more than now. REITs companies more than 14 companies. InvITs more than 5 companies available. You can invest through like mutual fund schemes. REITs and InvITs companies available. You can start investment also, but minimum investment 1,000 rupee. Can celebrate endorsed financial products. Wait. Muruganandam, I can't understand your question. Can celebrates endorsed financial products?
Sir, some cricketer or film actor sometimes recommends mutual funds. Is there any regulation that only some registered persons can give investment advice? Some advertisements are misleading, you know. Who can give advice, sir, or investment advice?
Any other questions? Any other questions? Yeah. Your somebody sir talking, but your voice is muted. Kindly come to chat box. Sir. Sir, audible, sir. We can wind up, sir.
Sir, okay, sir. Sir, now we request Akshaya.
Your voice is not. Just minute, sir. I'm going to log out and come back.
Yeah. Akshaya. Akshaya. Sir, shall we wind up? Robert, sir. Sir, it is an excellent session and a very useful interaction from our participants. Thank you, one and all who are participated in this meeting. Thank you. Our special thanks to Dr. K. Prabhakaran for his excellent informative talk today on the financial products. Thank you. Good night. Have a wonderful week.